Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the video. It's Michael from EuroCoatCustoms. In this video we're going to be painting this BMW E36 M3 in Marino Blue. I went ahead and edited a lot of the footage so that you don't see any filler, but we get straight to the point. So you'll see the most important parts of the process. Let's get started. This car's had an interesting history. There were obviously some marks from a welder dent puller on this car. There were a few dents around this car, such as at some point a ladder fell on one of these B pillars that I fixed. So we fixed that dent. The hood had some areas that needed repair. So we really went ahead and fixed as many things that we could find. Then we went ahead and primed this whole car with a 2K high build primer. It's gray primer. So in the video you can't really tell too much because we did spray the primer. We waited 2 days, then we went ahead and sanded the primer down after that set. Then we went ahead and we applied our black epoxy sealer, which isn't in the video of me spraying it, but it shows the whole car black with sealer, as you can see. Now, I've wet sanded the sealer down, then I went to go ahead and spray the base coat. I did 4 coats of the base. The color we chose is Marino Blue. It's BMW Marino Blue, the customer's color that he wanted. Euro Show Clear from CustomPaints.com. I'll leave the materials that I ordered in the description, as long as the paint, primer, clear coat. It'll all be in the description. We did go ahead and do a 3-step polish on this car. I then wiped off the overspray off the car, just dry spray that's been in the air. I then cleared the car with 2 coats of clear. So we let that set up. We blocked that down with 320 grit on a block sander, wet sanded the whole car down with that. And we went ahead and did 2 more coats of clear. So there's enough material on there so we can cut and buff the car. And let's say the customer's back of a rock truck, you know, gets scratches. There's material for him to cut and polish that out. Alright, so we went ahead and did 2 coats of clear. We wet sanded that down with 320 grit sandpaper on a block sander and a little bit on the DA just to knock it down. This panel is a good example of what it looked like after we went ahead and did the 320 grit wet sand. So we're going to do 2 more coats of clear on the whole car, and we're going to go ahead and cut and buff the whole car. So this is what the car looks like after we did a 3-stage polish. We're going to go ahead and take all the masking off. The customer has a trailer coming, so we're going to have him pick it up today. Alright guys, so put the doors back on the car, we cleaned the car, put the gaskets back on, trims, seals, emblems, everything like that. He's on his way to come pick up this car now. So as you can see, the LTW spoiler's on here. Clean the wheels, clean the trunk as much as we could. But yeah, we just threw a quick detailer on the car, just sprayed it on there, wiped it on, wiped it off, and this car's ready to go.
If you guys want the spoiler you see in this video, it is on my website that you can buy. You can either buy it unpainted, or I can even color match it to your car. Just send me the color code and then I can match it before shipping it out. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any comments you want to leave, feel free to comment below. Any material I use will be linked in the description, such as the primer, base coat, clear coat, the gun I use in the video, as well as the lights. So if you're interested in that, check out what's in the description. If you want to see my portfolio, check out EuroCoatCustoms ATL. If you want to see my personal Instagram, check out EuroBagATL. These pages is where I post a lot of things that are smaller videos that won't necessarily go to YouTube, but some pretty unique stuff. If you have a project that you want to work on together, you can also DM me off of those pages as well, and we can work on that together. So if you guys like this video, I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.